Use a compressible backing material to control sealant depth and prevent three-sided adhesion before you apply sealant to a driveway crack. For narrow to medium gaps, the best practice is to use a closed-cell foam backer rod sized about 1/8 inch larger than the gap, so it compresses slightly and sets the sealant at the correct profile. Insert the rod with a blunt tool or your thumb so it sits below the surface by about 1/2 the crack depth. The face of the sealant should be tooled flush with the pavement after application for good bond and appearance. For cracks too thin for a rod, pack clean dry sand into the void until it is tight, then apply sealant over the sand to block deep voids and reduce sealant use. Very wide cracks can accept a cut-down foam piece, such as a pool noodle slit lengthwise to fit, trimmed so the sealant depth remains consistent and does not stick to the backer. Always clean the crack from dust, loose debris, and vegetation with a wire brush and compressed air or a stiff broom so the backer and sealant adhere to stable surfaces. Work in temperatures recommended by the sealant maker and avoid wet or freezing conditions because moisture and cold change cure times and adhesion. Common mistakes are choosing a backer that is too large or too small, which prevents proper compression and causes sealant to bridge or pull away. Fix this by measuring the gap and selecting a rod about 1/8 inch larger in diameter so it compresses correctly. Another issue is leaving the backer at the wrong depth so the sealant bonds to three surfaces and fails. Correct that by seating the backer below the surface so the sealant depth equals about half the joint width, or follow the sealant manufacturer guidance. A third concern is using contaminated or damp backing, which reduces adhesion. Avoid that by removing dust and moisture first and using dry clean sand or dry foam rods only. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides project information that helps us pick appropriate materials like backer rods or sand for driveway work. We host a discussion community so our users can ask questions, share photos, and learn from others who have repaired driveways similar to theirs.